Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to join FedEx or want to get a job on FedEx, then you have to watch this video till the end. So first you have to do is you have to go to open your browser and search for careers.fedex.com, and you can find this page where you can find the join team FedEx here. So you have to add a job search by job, or you can search by location by simply click on this target icon. You can actually look at your actual location, or you can simply add a location that you want. So from here you can actually choose a category like package handler, drivers, facility operations, maintenance, retail, professional or student programs, pilot also. So from here you have to just simply choose it, or you can search for, simply click on search button here to get some jobs that are right now available here. Now after entering your location or the job title, if you have any specific job you want to do on FedEx, then you can just enter that job title from here, and you can find all of the jobs, and you can also search it or sort by your location. Also there is a filter that you can filter by your expected job, and you can find their amount of job, how many jobs are there available. Now here you can find a brand specialist. So if you want to get a job or apply for a job, then you have to find your expected job. After finding that, you simply click on view job button here, and you can find a whole description that what you need to do, what responsibility may included, and what do you bring with you, what qualification and documents do you need. Here is a preferred qualification, experience, and what do they offer. Actually you can find all of this. So I prefer you to read all of this description from here, and after reading all of this, and this is the title where you can find all of the details at a sort here. Now you have to simply do is you can find the apply button, simply click on the apply, and it will redirect you to the apply window where you can actually apply for this job. So you can autofill with resume. So if you have a complete resume that actually give a total overview about yourself, your personal data, your educational data, and your experience and other additional data, so you can use that resume to autofill some of the section of the details, or you can apply manually. So you can simply click on apply manually, or this button will help you to get the last data that you have used in your last application. Now simply click on apply manually, and from here you can find several steps. That first step is create account and sign in to FedEx. So you have to create your account first. So here's the password requirements. So you make sure that you have met all the requirements that a password, ideal password, should be on FedEx Express. Then you have to add your personal information, then your experience. You have to describe about your experience, what you do, and what your past experience is related to the brand specialist. So make sure that you have this experience related to the job, so you can get an advantage. Now application question, you can find some application primary questions that you have to answer it correctly without any type of hesitation. Now voluntary disclosure, you can find some instruction that what you have to do, what your job's type, and what is your duty. Then you can find the review of whole application. Then you can find a submit button, and you have to submit that application, and you have to wait until a representative get to you about the job inquiry. So that's how you can just simply do it. And if you can find any reply, so you can try it again. Sometimes you might be not on the perfect candidate, that's also sorry. So but you can try again and again, because don't give up, because if you give up then you will lose. So this pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.